morning. This is called number 2020-30821 in the interest of Joe, Giovanni, Jeremiah, and Christian Riccio. All parties, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right, ma'am. Please state your name and your relationship to the children.
I, Elvira Trevino Recio, am the mother of all four that you just stated.
Okay. And for the state?
Sade Parker, Your Honor.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent, Jose Feliciano Recio, is not present. He was personally served on October 1st, 2020 at 3:08 p.m. at 1370 Afton Street, apartment 670, Houston, Harris County, Texas. He's not filed an answer. Is that correct, Ms. Parker?
Yes, Your Honor, that's correct.
So we'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, the state would like to call Elvira Riccio. Elvira. Ms. Riccio, can you please state your full name for the record?
My name is Elvira Trevino Recio.
And who is Joe Angel Riccio?
He's my son.
What is his birth date?
March 17th, 2005.
How old is he?
He's 16 now.
And who is Giovanni Riccio?
Giovanni's my son as well.
What is his birth date?
His birthday's November the 6th, 2008.
How old is he?
He's 12.
And who is Jeremiah Riccio?
Jeremiah is my son as well.
How old is he?
He's 10.
What is his birth date?
His birthday is January 20th, 2010.
And who is Christian Riccio?
He's my son as well.
What is his birthday?
His birthday is October 4th, 2012.
How old is he?
He's 8.
And are you currently married?
Yes.
And who are you married to?
Jose Feliciano Riccio.
And when did you and Jose Feliciano Riccio get married?
After Joe Angel was born, September 29th, August 29th, 2005.
Okay, so you and Jose were married when Giovanni, Jeremiah, and Christian were born, correct?
No, we were married only when Joe Angel was born.
No, I'm saying Giovanni, Jeremiah, and Christian.
Yes, we were married. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And how do you know that Jose is Joe Angel's father?
Because I was with just only him.
Okay, so he was
months before I came out pregnant, and then I found out I was pregnant. And after he first started hitting me, I told him, "Hey, you need to stop because I'm pregnant." And but I was just with him.
Okay, and you're asking this court to establish a parent-child relationship between Jose Feliciano Riccio and Joe Angel Riccio, correct?
Yes.
And you're also asking this court, and the other relationship was established with your other children through your marriage, correct?
Yes.
And you're requesting that you be appointed sole managing conservator, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And you're requesting that because what type of relationship do you and Mr. Riccio have currently?
We're not even together. I don't want to be with him at all. He's put me through. Because of him, I'm sick today, and I'm having to suffer from a lot. But it's okay because I have custody of all my kids. I never lost that, and I just feel that he doesn't need. I just want to go on with my future, and I can't go on with my future with him being involved with them at all.
Okay. And where is he currently located?
He's incarcerated for assaulting on me and my brother, and we're
And
both
it,
disabled.
okay, and is this case currently awaiting trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And has he been there since November of 2020?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you currently have a protective order against
Yes.
Mr. Feliciano?
Yes.
And you're also requesting that Mr. Feliciano be given no visitation with the children, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And why are you requesting that he be given no visitation with the children?
Because he hasn't done anything for him this whole time. So why does he have any rights to keep on trying to be in their life for nothing? You know, he's not even doing anything. I'm the one who's being the mom and the dad.
And in terms of Mr. Feliciano, have your children have your children expressed to you that they would like to see him, Mr. Ricio Feliciano? Have they expressed to you that they would like to see him?
No, they don't want to see him.
And have they ever witnessed any of the violence between the violence he inflicted on you in the past? Have they ever witnessed any of that?
They've seen it maybe one time, but one time that's whenever CPS got involved, and never again did they ever see that because I never let them move back home. Whenever he would come around, I would never let him be around them.
Okay. And you're also requesting that a geographic restriction not be put in place, correct?
I'm sorry.
You're also requesting that a geographic restriction not be put in place, correct?
Geographic. What is that? I'm sorry.
That remember, you would like to be able to move wherever you would like to move with your children without Mr. Ricio's input, correct?
Yes.
And you do have plans on trying to move out of the Harris or contiguous county. You do have plans on trying to move out of this area of Texas, correct?
Not right now, but yes, I do want to move because of everything that's been going on.
And you don't want a geographic restriction so that you have the ability to move if necessary, correct?
That's right.
Yeah, so you're asking this court to designate you as the managing conservator with the exclusive right to designate their primary residence without a regard for a geographic restriction, correct?
Correct.
And is there private health or dental insurance available to you at a reasonable cost for the children?
If I look for one, I'm sure there is, but right now they're just on Medicaid.
Okay. And are you asking this court to order cash medical support in the amount of $0.00 to start on May 1st, 2021, because Mr. Riccio is currently incarcerated and has been for over 90 days?
Yes, I believe so. Yes, yes.
Oh, and you're also asking that he be responsible for 50% of all uncovered medical expenses, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you also requesting that child support be ordered in the amount of $0.00 to begin on May 1st, 2021, because Mr. Riccio is currently incarcerated and has been for longer than 90 days?
Yes.
Okay, and furthermore, are you also requesting that this court take a retroactive child support judgment in the amount of $21,145 from the period of let me just get the exact dates, from the period of May 21st, 2016 through April 26, 2021. And you're requesting that that be paid back at $0.00 because he is currently incarcerated and has been for over 90 days, correct? Ms. Riccio? Ms. Riccio, are you still there? Ms. Riccio? Ms. Riccio? Oh, no. Ms. Riccio? I don't know what happened to you. Ms. Riccio? I guess she's gonna call back in. Let me try to see if I can get in contact with her, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. Oh, is she back?
Looks like it.
Okay, okay, good.
Ms. Riccio, are you there?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Can you put on your video?
Hi, Mr. Longoria. Judge.
Okay. Okay.
Ms. Parker, can you put on your video?
Oh, sorry, Your Honor. I didn't realize you were talking to me. I forgot I had cut it off. Sorry.
Ms. Riccio,
Okay.
can you put on your video?
I'm trying, sir.
Well, are you there, Ms. Riccio? Ms. Riccio, are you there?
Ms. Riccio, just forget about the video. Can you hear us, or are you now gone again?
I think she's gone again.
I think so too. Oh. Ms. Riccio, I mean, the last time it hung up, so I'm not sure if she's actually. Now she's gone again. Hopefully she'll call right back. Oh, here she's back. Okay. Ms. Riccio, just unmute yourself, please.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes. Okay. Your Honor, can I continue?
Yes, but Ms. Riccio, unmute yourself, please.
Oh, Ms. Riccio, yeah, unmute yourself and leave yourself unmute so we can finish up. Press, yeah, just unmute yourself. You were unmuted. You muted yourself again. Can you please unmute yourself so we can
No,
wrap this?
unmuted.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Okay, leave it
Okay.
like that.
Got it?
Yes.
Yes, leave it just like that. And Ms. Riccio, all the calculations in terms of the medical support and the retro support.
See, the thing is, I can't hear y'all though.
Okay, can you hear me now? Can you hear me?
No, I can barely hear y'all. It's like it's mute.
Okay. Okay. I don't know what else to tell you, Ms. Riccio. Can you hear me better now? Ms. Riccio?
Okay, now I can hear you.
Okay, Ms. Riccio, and all the calculations that we just gave in terms of medical support, the back child support, and the child support the retro child support were all done as to minimum wage, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Because in the time that you've known Mr. Riccio, he he hasn't had a consistent employment history, correct?
Not at all.
Okay. And you're also requesting that that do you have any safety concerns with your address or phone number being listed in this order?
Uh, well, he already knows my. Well, yes, I do because this is a new number. Actually, the one I'm calling you from now, the 369 number 6418. He does not know this number, and so I had to change my number as well because of all the harassments from jail. Because he has people calling me on three-way as well.
Okay, and
So
you
yes, I
you
do have a problem with it. Yes,
okay, and also you're requesting that that information not be disclosed in this order, correct?
yes, ma'am. Please.
And you're also requesting that this court make a finding in regards to family violence based on the abuse that he has inflicted on you previously, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And that includes what he's currently in jail for, correct?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
And numerous times in the past, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is physical violence, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And there also has been incidents of sexual violence against you by him in the past also, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And you fear that undue harm and harassment could come to you or your children if he was to if he was to have access to your phone number and when you move if he was to get access to that new address, correct?
Yes.
And are you asking the court to order him to pay all court costs as billed?
Yes, ma'am.
And you're asking the court to grant this default judgment, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And you believe this is in the best interest of your children, correct?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Your Honor, I have no further questions for this witness.
Yeah, Ms. Ricio, you said you were married to the gentleman, Mr. Recio. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You live together?
We never even been stable to live together. Like he's always been in and out of my life. He's never really actually just stayed 30 days. He's always been in and out, sir. So
All
no,
right.
we never really even lived together. We're just on and off for 16 years.
All right. I'll approve the order as submitted. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Your
sir.
Honor. Ms. Ricio, you can go ahead and log off. You're all set.
Thank you all so much. God bless.
Your Honor, Marcella's still here.
Marcella has something, but I don't know what she has.
He's out of here.
Ms. Turner, what do you
Yes,
have?
it's just a quick AOP challenge. They should be in the waiting room.
What's the name? I don't have a
Rodriguez
cause
and
number.
Carizales. Do you need the cause number?
Yes.
Okay, it's 2020 56226.
Ga- Garislas, is that the one you're talking about?
Yes.
And is somebody on the line or somebody?
I see Ms. Rodriguez. I don't see him.
I'm present.
Is he not in the waiting room?
No, he's not logged in.
Um, all right, Your Honor, he hasn't logged in. He's had sufficient time to log in. I know he requested this, but then he gave some sort of story about him not being able, he may not be able to log in. So if he doesn't log in, I'm just going to proceed forward with the default if the court will allow. But I'll come back to do it.
You have
Go ahead
service
and
on
hang
him,
up.
so forth.
Yes, we do have service. I just need to check some more things on there, and because he's had plenty of time to log in, and I was very clear about us proceeding.
Is the mother denied the paternity?
She, to my knowledge, she did not, but she can speak for herself.
Yeah. I mean, Mr. Rodriguez, is he the father of the
Yes, sir. He's the father
Okay.
of all three. He's the father of all three children. He's just,
Okay. Well, if he's not on the line requesting AOP, well then, an AOP challenge. Uh, if he doesn't get back on the line by, this afternoon, we'll proceed without him.
yes, sir. That's fine.
Thank you. Miss, may we be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Ms. Rodriguez, log back into the